friends, welcome to our channel Everything You Like. Today we are going to see how to draw a cactus in a pot. For that you have to draw a straight line. And then curve its corner. After curving the corners, you have to join the curves. Then draw a tub-like structure down of the two lines. Then for decoration you can draw a cute little heart. Then we are going to draw the baby cactus. Now I am going to give it a cute crown. And let's draw the eyes. Draw two circles and a line below them. And two cute circles inside it. And a cute little mouth for our baby cactus. And two little eyebrows. And draw lines inside that circle. It looks strange, but after drawing and coloring, it looks very beautiful. A cactus is not fulfilled without spikes, so draw some spikes. And we are going to draw the father cactus, so draw a cucumber-like structure and a two wavy eyes and a cute little mouth and eyebrows. And draw two cute hands and spikes for us. And join the lines from the top to the end. And draw some spikes on the hands and the body. Now we are going to draw mother cactus. So I am giving it a flower because the mother cactus bears the flower. And draw two eyes for it. And same procedure what we did for the baby cactus. Draw two eyebrows and a cute little mouth. And some spikes. And a cute little hands. And some lines. Give some spikes to it. Take a black marker and give outline to our cactus family. See how cute it looks. And now start coloring the pot with brown color. See, I have given three colors for the three cute cactus. You can try this at home. This is very easy to draw. Please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.